Right, so this is about as far as we can get to today. Still waiting for the bearings upper and lower to come for the steering fork there, so can't really do any more on that, but I am going to fit the front caliper to the fork. We have indeed fitted today, so we've got the new R8000 Ultegra on there. New bottom bracket on there, feels absolutely like butter, feels so good. So we've got the new front derailleur as well, and we've got the new rear mech with the ceramic bearinged metallic jockey wheels in there. I've tried to sort of, I guess I went for metallic just purely because of the ceramic speed ones are metallic. Obviously these aren't oversized, but they look pretty darn cool. Silver with the red bearings in there. So that is as far, unfortunately, as we've got today, but it's coming together nicely, looking good. So I'm going to leave that on just to help with adjustment once all the cabling goes on. Rear caliper on there nicely. They look so much better than the original units. So leads us onto the fork, so give it a little bit of a clean up and then we're going to fit the front caliper. Right, so picked another good day here. Just got the crank set up. I got this company managed to find online, and they are doing basically protection stickers, so whether it be framework, such like that. I have gone for, can't see it because it's clear, but this is going to be for the crank arms, both sides. So that's what I'm going to do, so hopefully stop any scratching and rub marks from possibly shoes or even maybe the odd spill, fall over. So hopefully that's going to protect that and keep that hopefully in good condition and good shape. So let's have a go at fitting these, shall we? Right, so both sides applicated and, or applied rather, and yeah, not looking too bad actually, so hopefully it should protect it. This side went on a lot better. I mucked the other side up, in all honesty. I didn't read the instructions, which is typical. So Shimano are really good when it comes to their cassettes. So this is the Ultegra R8000. This is a 11 to 30 tooth cassette. So this is the biggest you can go with a small short cage rear derailleur. So this is what I've gone with. So there's still plenty of gear in there for getting up the hills as well. So that should be absolutely perfect for me. We'll see. So they've got this really cool little, they keep the cassette together and you get almost like this little, almost looks like a little sort of mini fork. So here, and that holds all the cassette in. So effectively you can then drop the cassette on, pull the little fork out, and all this should drop down in one piece onto the free hub of the wheel. So let me get that on there. Get plenty on. Just smooth that round. I love the muck-off stuff because it smells of berries. Right, that is as far as we can get to today without the headset bearings upper and lowers. They are on order, on their way, so hopefully we can continue putting them in the frame, fork in, and then put the handlebars and levers on. So hopefully as soon as we get them bearings we can get on with that. So wheel all done, Right, so here we are in yet another room of the house or place. I feel like I'll be doing it in the bathroom or the loft soon. So anyway, we're in the kitchen. It's just so windy. Literally will not hear a thing. So I decided to bring it in, make a makeshift workshop in the kitchen. So I've got some new headset bearings, top and bottom going in. So we're going to get them in today. They're absolutely cooked. They are so, probably can't pick that up very well, but they are just nasty. They're so graunchy, feel horrible. It's stainless steel ball bearings with titanium coating on them, so they should be really long lasting. So it took me a while. There are measurements on the old bearings, but you needed to indeed measure the diameter of the headset tube, so which is what I did. So there you go. New bearings, so new upper and lower, going to be going in right now.